गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। सो माय नेम इज़ करीना और आज की इस क्लास में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाले हूँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक और बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन टॉपिक भी आप इसको बोल सकते हैं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एंड्रॉइड एंड iOS। तो एंड्रॉइड और iOS में क्या डिफरेंस होता है। सो वेलकम टू एन इन डेप्थ लुक एट डेवलपिंग, डिप्लॉइंग for the two dominant mobile platforms Android and iOS. This presentation will explore the key differences and considerations for developers from tools and languages to market dynamics and monetization strategies. Understanding these nuances is crucial for making informed decisions and building successful mobile applications. Development environments. Android Studio. Based on IntelliJ IDEA, Android Studio is a powerful open source and cross-platform IDE. It supports a flexible Gradle-based build system offering extensive customization to a rich plugin ecosystem. It is an open source and cross-platform. It has a Gradle build system for flexibility. Xcode. Xcode is Apple's proprietary IDE exclusively available on macOS. It offers a tightly integrated environment with a Swift package manager providing a seamless experience for iOS, macOS, watchOS and tvOS development. macOS is only proprietary. Programming languages. Android languages. Kotlin is the officially preferred language for Android, known for its concise syntax, null safety features and robust support for coroutines. Java remains supported for legacy projects while C++ can be used via the NDK for performance critical tasks. iOS language. Swift is the primary language for iOS development, celebrated for its modern design, type safety and exceptional performance. Objective-C is still supported for older projects, but Swift is the go-to for new applications. Performance. Android's performance can vary significantly due to its diverse hardware ecosystem and numerous OS versions. The ART runtime with its JIT AOT compilation continuously works to optimize app execution across this fragmented landscape. iOS performance benefits from tight integration between software and hardware as Apple designs both. The synergy ensures consistent, optimized performance across all iOS devices. The Metal API provides direct access to the GPU for high fidelity. Fragmentation. Android's diverse ecosystem. Android's strength in global market share comes with the challenge of fragmentation encompassing a vast array of devices, screen size and OS versions. This necessitates adaptive layouts and extensive testing across multiple configurations to ensure broad compatibility and a consistent user experience. iOS uniformity. In contrast, iOS operates within a more controlled environment with a limited number of devices and consistent OS updates. This uniformity simplifies UI design and testing as developers need to account for fewer variations, leading to a more streamlined development process. Monetization. iOS revenue potential and Android's broader reach. In dollars, in 70% plus. Historically, iOS has shown higher revenue per user, driven by a user more inclined to purchase premium apps and subscriptions. The apps इसमें हमें परचेज करना पड़ता है, बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. While per user revenue might be lower, Android's massive global install base offers unparalleled reach. Google Play stores flexible monetization options, including a robust network enable developers to target a wider audience and scale their earnings through volume. Security. iOS security. iOS is often perceived as more secure due to its strict app review process, sandboxing feature, reverse encryption. This tightly controlled ecosystem minimizes vulnerabilities and enhances user data protection. Android security. Android employs a comprehensive permission system and regular security patches. However, fragmentation and OEM customization can introduce variations in security implementation, potentially leading to vulnerabilities that developers must consider. Development cost. Android device testing. Testing across Android's wide range of devices can be costly due to hardware diversity, and emulators can mitigate some of these expenses, but physical device testing is often necessary for optimal performance. In iOS hardware requirements, iOS development necessities macOS hardware, which is an initial investment investment. However, fewer device variations and consistent OS versions can reduce long time testing and maintenance cost compared to Android's fragmented ecosystems. And as a summary, Android is versatile, broad reach, fragmented ecosystem, and iOS is a streamlined, consistent premium user base. It is larger user base, flexible customization, more testing complexity. It is higher per user revenue, simplified development, exclusive hardware requirement. So the optimal platform for development depends on your target audience, budget constraints, specific application goal, consider market reach versus revenue potential. So I hope आपको क्लियर होगा what is the difference between iOS and Android. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही, मिलते हैं इसी तरह के इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.